Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. It's got about 7,000 miles on the clock. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Then we'll take it panel by panel, show you the condition of the vehicle. After that, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior, take it for a test drive, show you the condition of the tires, engine compartment, and storage area in the back. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this front bumper on this one. Beautiful shape on the front bumper. Look at that, amazing condition. Let's take a close look at the headlamps. Headlamps are in beautiful shape, really nice. Let's take a look at the driver one, also in beautiful condition. Lower lights, beautiful shape. Grille's in beautiful condition. Take a look. Very nice. Lower light on the passenger side, also in amazing condition. Take a look at the spoiler down here. Looks perfect. Not a mark on it. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Looks super clean. Really nice condition. Looks amazing. Does have a hairline scratch right here. Besides that, it's in good condition. Take a look at the front fender. On the passenger side, beautiful shape, very nice condition. Passenger door in the front looks amazing. No marks or anything to show there, looks super clean, very nice. Take a look at the rear door, also in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. Quarter panel on the passenger side, amazing condition, looks super clean. It's really nice. All right, let's take a look at the rear hatch. Rear hatch on this one is in beautiful shape. Looks super nice. Clean throughout, very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the rear lights. Rear lights are in beautiful shape. Super clean on this one. Let's take a look at the other one. Also in beautiful condition. Rear bumper looks good, very nice. Hatch glass looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape, looks amazing. Front fender on the driver's side looks beautiful, clean throughout, very nice condition. Let's take a look at the windshield. Really outstanding shape, looks amazing. Beautiful condition throughout. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof's in beautiful shape. Very nice. No chips, no marks on it at all. Looks amazing. Let's take a look at the windshield on this side. Beautiful shape on this side also. Looks really nice. Okay, that's pretty much going to conclude our walk around on this one. Stay tuned, we're going to take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout, really nice condition. Really amazing shape, look at that. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, very nice. Take a look at the driver's seat, super nice. Looks brand new. Really nice stitching here with that blue. Amazing condition, look at that. Matches the dash. It has that blue accent there. Super nice, very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Really nice shape. Really amazing condition there. All right, let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful shape, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Really amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear. Driver's side door panel, beautiful condition throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seats, also in beautiful shape. Really nice condition all the way through. Very nice. Rugs are clean, beautiful condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful condition, take a look. Really outstanding shape. Super clean. Take a look at the rear seats. Really amazing condition all the way through. Very nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. Check out the key fob here. Lock, unlock, remote start, panic. Super nice. We're going to set the key down here in the cup holder. Okay, let's go ahead and start this one up. This one has a push button start, so all you got to do is push your foot on the brake, press the button, we'll be ready to go. So let's go ahead and start her up. Starts up perfect. Look at that. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful display on this one. Okay, so let's take a look at the mileage on this one. This one has 7,111 miles. Okay, fantastic. Cluster's in beautiful shape. A lot of information here. Now let me show you. There's a little bit of glare in here. The reason why is because it still has a sticker on it. Look at it. It still has a sticker on here, so nobody's taking that off. And then also the display for the radio information center also has a sticker on it. So that's why you see a little bit of a glare there. It's not really like that, but it's got a glare because the plastic's still on there. All right, so this one shows, it's got a compass on top there. Shows you fuel, miles per hour. Also has the RPMs right there. Temperature, 100 miles till empty. It shows that it's sitting in park right now. And this shows you the distance when you're driving behind another vehicle. That's super nice. Okay, so that's pretty much it on there. All right, let's take a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel has cruise control. There's the distance. Collision alert in the front, so you can set up the gap, whatever you like. So further away is better. Stops faster. So that's the setting there for the gap. And here we go. This is for the radio and for the phone. There you go. Automatic lights, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful condition. Look at this. Look at this little nice accent here in blue. Looks amazing. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Really amazing condition. Looks really nice. Okay. Center console's in beautiful shape. Take a look down here. It's got USBs to plug in here. Power plug. Little storage area there. Automatic transmission with manual shift modes. It's got the engine bypass here, so you can turn this on there and then it won't turn off at the light with you. Usually it turns off every once in a while when the car's hot and everything. AC and everything still runs. As soon as you leave your foot off the brake, the engine starts up right away, so you can leave that on if you like. And this is that lane assist. It helps you, it keeps you in the lane, lets you know when you're getting out of the lane. It beeps or whatever. All right, we're taking a look at the AC controls. Super nice. Hazard button there. Up above here, beautiful display. Really nice radio. So let's go to all the settings here real quick. We'll take a look. Right now it's on that radio station there. When you click here, goes to the phone. Nothing's connected right now. Traction control. Go back again. There you go. Go here. This shows you the maintenance on it. That's a trip computer. The gauges shows you the battery voltage, which is a nice feature. It shows you the coolant temperature. Shows you the tire pressure sensors, oil life. Super nice. Let's go back to home again. We'll click on settings here. Settings shows you active calling for phone settings. Go back again. Shows you audio, phone, OnStar for the apps. Vehicle. Let's look at the collision detection system. Here we go. It has automatic braking and front pedestrian braking. Super nice. Shows you all the features it has here, the lighting, all that stuff there. And then the system shows you the time, the language, phones, Wi-Fi settings if you're going to subscribe to that. In-phone vehicle sharing, all that good stuff there. That's really nice. Has a lot of features here. Really nicely equipped. And those are the apps there for the audio. Sound, manage favorites. There you go, you got all your radio stations there. Really nice, a lot of features to go through here. Let's go back to home again. And then this one's nice because it still has a dial here in case you want to bring the volume up from here or turn it off from there. That's a nice feature. It's not all touchscreen. Up above here, we're looking at the courtesy lights, the OnStar button. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Let's take a quick look here. Looks amazing, looks brand new. Really nice blue accents there, looks super sharp. Really amazing condition. Take a close look there, very nice. We'll take a look at the glove box in a second. USBs, parking brake release. It's got a little armrest here with some storage on the bottom, that's nice. Let's take a look in the glove box. We have the full set of books, super nice. Let's take a look at the liner on this one. Liner looks amazing, looks brand new. Let's take a look on this side. Beautiful condition all the way through. Visors, driver, passenger, beautiful shape on that. Really nice condition. Okay, that's pretty much the interior on this one. Stay tuned, we're going to take it for a little test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. Nice acceleration. Beautiful display. Look at that. Really nice. Feels super quick. Really nice drive. Okay, coming up on a stop sign here, we're going to text the brakes out. Brakes feel good. Here we go. Really nice acceleration, super smooth. Nice and smooth, super quick. Super nice. Brakes feel good. Really nice drive. Okay, next step, we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera, and then we'll conclude our test drive. Super nice. Go. Okay, we're going to test out our backup camera now. Here we go. You You can see there, put in reverse. Beautiful display. It's like a widescreen camera. Look at that. Really nice. And you see those lines there let you know which way we're going to roll back. Fantastic. There you go. That's pretty much it. All right, that concludes our test drive. Then when you put it back in drive again, goes back to the radio. Fantastic. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine and take a look at those tires. We'll be right back. All right, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. It's clean and in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. It's got a little pocket there to put stuff. It's got this cover in the back, which is really nice. Down below here, we have your spare tire and all the tools. Really spacious. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look in the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a quick look here. Really nice. Amazing condition. Look at this. Beautiful shape all the way through. Really nice. Look at the emission sticker on this one. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new, very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a couple little marks here, but no big deal. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. But it does have some scuffs right here on the edge. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side, amazing condition. It's brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX. It's got about 7,000 miles on the clock, really in beautiful condition. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, greatusedautosales.com. Thanks for watching.